Little mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hello students, today we'll be doing the question number 10 of page number 249. Now in today's sum also we have a special case of where two partners become insolvent. This is a realization account, this is partners capital account, and this one is bank account. So first step, we have to transfer all the sundry assets. So all assets we are transferring realization account debit side, which is 1,60,000, and then bank account is given to you, so we write to balance brought down 5,000. Sanika's capital balance, see, capital of Sanika is given on asset side, that means Sanika is having debit balance, so write on debit side to balance brought down, write on debit side to balance brought down, which is 10,000 rupees. Then you have credit side, that is liabilities, capital of Shweta and Nupur. So capital of Shweta and Nupur, so it is the opening balance, it is given on liability side, so write on the credit side by balance brought on 65,000 and 15,000. Sundry creditors, only one liability is given to you, so write it on the credit side by sundry creditors. See, when the question is based on insolvency, so the question is little small only. So sundry creditors, you have 95,000. Now we directly jump to the adjustment. The firm is dissolved as on 31st March 2019. Sundry assets realized at 60% of its book value. यानी कि सन्ड्री एसेट्स को बेचने के बाद कितना मिला अपने को, 60% उसका वैल्यू मिला अपने को. तो इसका जर्नल एंट्री क्या आएगा, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, बैंक के डेबिट में आएगा टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, एंड रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा बाय बैंक अकाउंट, ब्रैकेट में लिखना है एसेट्स रियलाइज्ड, ब्रैकेट में लिखना है एसेट्स रियलाइज्ड. सो अमाउंट कितना आएगा, 1,60,000 का 60%, 1,60,000 का 60%. सो 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros, 6 6 are 36, 6 1 are 6, 96,000. Okay, because the assets were realized at 60% of its book value. So 1,60,000 into 60 upon 100, 60 upon 100, 1 2 3 0, so 6 is 36, 96,000. Same amount you write over here, 96,000. Realization expenses rupees 2,000 paid by Shweta, paid by Shweta. Okay, realization expenses rupees 2,000 paid by Shweta. So realization expenses, so what is the journal entry, realization account debited to bank account, so bracket you write realization expenses, the amount is this is paid by Shweta, so we write here to Shweta capital account, because it is paid by Shweta, so we write here to Shweta's capital account, the amount is 2,000 rupees. Second effect, partners capital account credit side, by write here by realization account, in Shweta's column you write 2,000 because Shweta is paying 2,000 rupees. Nupur and Sanika both are insolvent. Nupur and Sanika both are become insolvent. Nupur's private estate has got a surplus of rupees 3,000. यानी कि नूपुर के पास से हमें मिला 3,000 रुपीज़, नूपुर के पास से हमें मिला 3,000 रुपीज़, एंड सानिका के पास से हमें मिला 8,000 रुपीज़. So we write here bank account to, किसके पास से मिला, नूपुर से मिला, so नूपुर's capital account, to Sanika's capital account. The amount is 3,000 and 8,000. Second effect, partner's capital account credit side by bank account. So in Nupur's column you write 3,000, in Sanika's column you write 8,000 rupees. Okay. So now we have to close the account. So total the realized, so debit side total, if you see, 1 minute before closing the account you have to see whether all the liabilities are paid off or not. If you see clearly, there is no description about the creditors paid off. If nothing is given, we have to pay it off. We have to pay the liabilities, that is to bank account, in bracket you write sundry creditors, which is the creditors amount is 95,000. Second effect, by realization account 95,000. Okay. So on closing the account, if you see, your debit side total comes to 2,57,000 and the credit side total comes to 1,91,000. So from this we can make out the debit side is heavier. So write the debit side amount 2,57,000, 2,57,000 both the side. Now from 2,57,000 subtract 95,000, subtract 96,000, you will be getting 66,000. This 66,000 you distribute among all the three partners in the ratio 3:2:1. So on distribution you will be getting 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. Second effect of this will go to partners capital account debit side, to realization account 33,000, 22,000, 11,000. Now we close the account. Now you can see here Nupur and Sanika becomes insolvent. So we will first close the, so both are insolvent. So whatever is the deficiency of Nupur and Sanika, it will be borne by both, it will be borne by Shweta only, because both are becoming insolvent. So first we will close Nupur's balance. Nupur's total is 22,000 here and credit side is 18,000. 15 plus 3 is 18,000. So 22,000 writing both the side, 22,000 minus 18,000, you will be getting 4,000. This will be borne by Shweta. This will be borne by Shweta's capital account 4,000. So same amount you will write in Shweta's debit side. Shweta is giving this amount to whom? To Nupur. So we write here Nupur capital account, which is 4,000. See, in the Nupur's column credit side of 4,000, same 4,000 I wrote in debit side Shweta column 4,000, because Shweta is giving 4,000 to Nupur so that her account will get tallied. Same way Sanika's, it is 10,000 plus 11,000, it comes to 21,000. Now 21,000 minus 8,000, 21,000 minus 8,000, you will be getting 13,000. Again this deficiency of Sanika, will be borne by whom? Shweta. So Shweta is giving 13,000. So same amount you write in Shweta's column debit side to Sanika capital account, which is 13,000. Okay. So now we close Shweta's column, that is 65 plus 2 is 67,000. So here it is 67,000 and here it is 3, 6, 10, 3, 4, 5. It is 50,000. So credit side is heavier. So write the amount 67,000 on both the side. 67,000 minus 50,000 will give you 17,000. This is to next account, that is bank account. Now in bank account credit side you write by Shweta's capital account, which is 17,000. So now you total both the side. 7 plus 5 12, 9 10 11, it comes to 1,12,000. 11 14 14 plus 8 22, 1,12,200. So with this your question will get tallied. Okay, thank you students. Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we are going to solve question number 12 from page number 250. Shashwat and Shiv are equal partners. Their balance sheet stood as under. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities amount Shashwat capital creditors. Assets plant machinery, furniture, debtors, stock, cash at bank, Shiv's capital. Due to weak financial position, all partners were declared insolvent. Bankrupt means insolvent. The assets were realized as follows: stock 3,500, furniture 2,000, debtors 5,000, machinery 7,000. The cost of recollection and distributing the estate amounted to rupees 1,500. So the cost of collection and distributing the estate amounted to rupees 5,000 is nothing but realization expenses. Shashwat's private estate is not sufficient even to pay his private debts, whereas in Shiv's private estate there is a surplus of rupees 500. Prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. Okay, so we are going to prepare realization account. We are going to prepare partners capital account. We are going to prepare liabilities account also. Now as all the partners are declared insolvent, so liabilities account will be opened separately. They will not be transferred to realization account. So note, you have to remember note 1, when all partners are declared insolvent, then outside liabilities will not be transferred to realization account. It means separate account to be opened for all the liabilities. Okay. So now in our problem, in this problem, I think we have only one liabilities creditor, so we have opened creditors account. Okay, so now we'll start posting. So first step is transfer of all the assets. So to sundry assets, underline it, plant and machinery 14,750, furniture 4,000, debtors 5,000, stock 6,250. So you add up this. If you add up this, you will be getting 30,000. Cash at bank, it is the opening balance of cash account, so to balance brought on 3,000. Shiv's capital you will write in the debit side, to balance brought on Shiv's capital 12,000 rupees. Saraswat capital account, it is given the liability side, so we write in credit side Y balance brought down, it is 6,000. Creditors, we are opening a separate account for creditors. Creditor is a liability, they will have credit balance, so write on the credit side Y balance brought down, Y balance brought down, which is 39,000. And you have to prepare, so this posting is over. So realization account, partners capital account, creditors account, cash bank account. Then you have to prepare one deficiency account. You have to prepare deficiency account. Okay, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. Okay, so we have to prepare a very small account, deficiency account, when all partners are declared insolvent. So due to weak financial position, all partners were declared insolvent, bankrupt. The assets were realized as under. So when the assets are realized under, so what is the journal entry? Cash bank account debited to realization account. So cash bank के डेबिट साइड में लिखो टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, एंड रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में बाय कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट, अंडरलाइन इट, राइट स्टॉक 3,500, फर्नीचर 2,000, debtors 5,000, machinery 7,000. You add up this, you will be getting 17,500. 7 plus 5, 12, 14, 17,500. So same amount you write over here, 17,500. Cost of collection and distributing the estate amounted to rupees 1,500. So realization account debit side to cash and bank account. In bracket you write on realization expenses, which is 1,500. शाश्वत private estate is not sufficient even to pay his private debts, यानी कि शाश्वत will not give anything, whereas in Shiv's private estate there is a surplus of rupees 500. That means you will be getting a surplus of rupees 500 from Shashwat. But before that, I think the realization expenses second effect is not given. You have to show in cash bank account credit side by realization account, which is 1,500. So you got a surplus from Shiv's private estate. So from Shiv you are getting 500 rupees. So from Shiv you are getting 500 rupees. So to Shiv's capital account, which is 500, and in partners capital account credit side by cash and bank account, which is in Shiv's column you write 500 rupees. Prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books out of form. So now we have did all the adjustments. Now we can start closing. So total the debit side, if you 30 plus 1,500, 31,500. Credit side total is 17,500. So 31,000 minus 17,500. So you will be getting which side is heavier? Credit side is, debit side is heavier. So write debit side amount on both the side. So you will be getting, on subtracting, you will be getting 14,000. So this you will transfer to partners capital account, partners capital account, Shiv and Shashwat. So 14,000 distribute it equally, 7,000, 7,000. Second effect, this is on credit side, write it on debit side, to realization account, which is loss 7,000 and 7,000. Okay, now we will close this account. We will close this account and we will transfer this amount to deficiency account. So Shiv का डेबिट साइड में 12,000 plus 7,000 comes to 19,000. Credit side is having only 500 rupees. 12,000 plus 7,000, 19,000. So this 19,000 you write on both the side. So 19,000 minus 500, you will be getting 18,500. This will go to deficiency account. This will go to deficiency account. So this is in the credit side. So in the deficiency account, it will come in the debit side to Shiv capital account, 18,500. 18,500. Then Shashwat column, this is 7,000. Debit side 7,000. Credit side is 6,000. So debit side is heavier. So write 7,000 on both the side. 7,000 minus 6,000. You will get 1,000. This you will write here in deficiency account debit side. Shashwat capital account, which is 1,000 rupees. Okay, so now we will close cash and bank account. Close the cash and bank account. Definitely debit side is heavier only. So 17 plus 3 will be 21,000. So 21,000. Subtract करो 21,000 minus 1,500. So it will be 19,000. So I am writing here. So 21,000. So it will be 19,500 is the difference. Okay. See. This is 21,000. So subtract 21,000. Subtract 1,500 from 21,000. You will be getting 19,500. That means you are having 19,500 as cash balance. Okay. So with the help of this 19,500, first you will try to pay off your liabilities. Because हमारे पास 19,500 है, तो हमारे पास 19,500 है, तो देखो हमारा लाइबिलिटीज़ कितना है. हमारा लाइबिलिटीज़ 39,000 है, तो हमारे पास देने के लिए पूरा पैसा नहीं है. तो जितना भी पैसा हमारे पास है 19,500 जो है, ये हम यूज़ करेंगे टू पे क्रेडिटर्स. अंडरस्टूड. हमारे पास 19,500 कैश अवेलेबल है. सो दिस 19,500 विल बी यूटिलाइज टू पे द कैश अकाउंट, सॉरी क्रेडिटर्स. तो यहाँ पे क्रेडिटर्स के कैश के क्रेडिट में है, तो क्रेडिटर्स के डेबिट में आएगा टू कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट विच इज़ 19,500. ओके. सो अभी यहाँ पे जो नए नए अकाउंट्स आए, हमको पहले उसका एंट्रीज पास करना पड़ेंगे. कौन से एंट्रीज हमने जो सीखा, नया एंट्री जो हमने सीखा, सबसे पहला तो ट्रांसफरिंग द कैपिटल बैलेंस टू डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट. तो पहला है ट्रांसफर ऑफ कैपिटल बैलेंस टू डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे पार्टनर्स का अपना क्रेडिट हुआ है तो डेबिट डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट होता है. सो वी राइट हियर डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट डेबिट टू शिफ्ट कैपिटल अकाउंट टू शाश्वत कैपिटल अकाउंट which is deficiency account debited to shift capital account to Shashwat capital account. So your 18,500 and 1,000, add up this, you will be getting 19,500. Okay, this is a one new entry. Then what you did, कैश बैलेंस. जो कैश का बैलेंस था तो हमने क्या किया, उसको यूज़ किया किसके लिए, क्रेडिटर्स पे करने की. सो पेमेंट टू क्रेडिटर्स, तो एंट्री क्या आया, क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट 19,500. ओके, ये हुआ. अभी हम लोग क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट को क्लोज कर, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर डिफरेंस आ रहा है. ये देखो यहाँ 39,000 है, यहाँ पे 19,500 है. सो 39,000 इसमें से माइनस करोगे 19,500 आएगा. 39,000 माइनस 19,000, इट विल बी डिफरेंस इज 19,500. 39,000 में से 19,000, देखो एस्ट्रिक मार्क का मतलब होता है ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर है. जैसे यहाँ भी अगर बताओ ना एस्ट्रिक मार्क, ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर है. जैसे यहाँ पे है पार्टनर्स का, ये भी बैलेंसिंग फिगर है. सो अभी ये जो दिस विल गो टू, ये जो डिफरेंस है दिस विल गो टू डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट. दिस विल गो टू डेफिशिएंसी अकाउंट. तो ये डेबिट में आया है. तो सो द टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड इज 19,500 and the total of credit side is 39,000. So credit side is heavier. So 39,000 you write on both the side. 39,000 minus 19,500 will give you 19,500. This will go to deficiency account credit side. So write in deficiency account credit side by creditors account 19,500. So now you total this deficiency account, it should get tallied 19,500 and 19,500. Okay, so what is the journal entry for this? So your creditors account is debited, so the balance in creditors account, so the journal entry is creditors account debit to deficiency account, which is 19,500. Okay, thank you.